Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit. Today we've installed a Starline Immobiliser on this CLA. As you can see, it's already running, so this was remote started. A thief got into it after doing a relay attack, went to drive away. When they select a gear, the vehicle's going to cut out. As you can see, unable to drive it. This also works, obviously, if they just did a relay attack, it was parked outside your house, they got your key, or they broke in, stole your key, got in to steal the vehicle, it's going to start up. When they go to drive away, you'll see it cut out. So what the customer has to do in this vehicle is start it up. When they get in it, go through a push sequence of their choosing. So for now we've set 1, 2, 3, really simple. Hear the disarm tone. Now they can select their gear and drive the vehicle, it doesn't stall out. This also connects to a phone. So we'll pair the Bluetooth phone up, come back in a second and show you how that works. Now we pair the phone up, if we just turn the Bluetooth on, next time they get in the vehicle, it can be locked and in their pocket. They just hop in, start it, hear the disarm tone straight away, and they can drive immediately. No need for a code. If they want to take it for a service, they can press and hold in the Starline key app like we have on loads of our videos till it goes yellow. When it goes yellow, we'll let go. We'll get 2 bleeps. When they get it back and they want to turn the system back on, go back into the Starline key app, press and hold till it goes to green. 2 bleeps and it's protected. Make sure it stays green. That means the immobiliser's on and your vehicle's secure when you get it back. When it goes to them, it's got to be yellow. If the customer wants to change the code, what they have to do is first disarm the system. So our Bluetooth's on and it's disarmed automatically. If not, they'd use their code. Then they'll press any button 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll cycle the ignition off. And then on a Mercedes, it's a double tap back on. So you get your lights. We get 5 bleeps and it's ready to learn a code. So we'll just change it to rear paddle, down. And this can be all the way to 21 presses. And again, 1, 2, 3. Wait for our confirmation. And then turn the vehicle off. Also, to test it, make sure you change the code correctly. Make sure all the Bluetooth devices are off. So we'll just turn the Bluetooth off on this. Now we'll start the vehicle up. Pop in our new code. 1, 2, 3. Get our disarm tone and we can drive. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a Starline Immobiliser on a CLA 2018. Thanks for watching.